Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a water valve on a model 561. Now this refrigerator is missing a little plate that screws into here that holds this valve in, but you can still see how it's replaced. So you remove the old valve, hook in your outlet port here, just like so. You can just hand tighten this. Then you hook in your electrical, like so. And this goes in like this. There's a little slot here. It slides right on, like this. And then you hook up your ground wire right there. And like I say, the plate slides over this water valve and screws into here to hold the valve in, but we don't have that. It's missing. We'll have to order that. And then you screw on your garden hose connection here, like so. Okay, and then the 1/4-inch compression line comes in and supplies the water valve. Okay, it's pretty simple and easy to do.